Hello kids, this is the Kidz TV and I am your new teacher, Rhino teacher. Let's start the name of the birds. Kids, still if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon to get a notified timely my new video. So let's start. This is a pigeon. This is a myna, common myna. This is parrot. And this is a rooster. Kingfisher. This is crow. This is crow. And that's kiwi. Emu. This is the emu, only birds found in Australia. This is toucan, very beautiful and colorful birds. This is a sparrow, house sparrow, and this is swan. This is a waterfowl found in the sea and the river and the lakes. This is owl. This is a seagull. This is flamingo, very beautiful bird. Its color is red. And this is the mallard and the duck. This is a penguin, ostrich, hummingbird, skylark, pelican, quail. This is a goose, kite. Kids, this is all about my videos about the birds. Hope so you would have liked my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon to get a notified timely. And see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.